Hey there. So apparently, an apple, an onion, and a potato um, supposed to taste the same. I don't think so. Um, but I remember seeing it somewhere or reading it. I was a bit younger. That they taste the same. So test it out. Try the apple first because I know it's gonna be alright. Granny Smith. I think it's if you block your nose. I feel like that's gonna be the closest one, like this acidic level of what you're gonna eat. I don't know if I should do potato or the onion. Which one's gonna be worse? I like the onion.
I don't know who else said this would be the same. Could it burnt a little bit? I could feel it in my breath. Um,
The raw potato ain't as bad as what I thought. Oh, you quite similar to onion and apple. If it was a really bad apple. I call BS.